What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we're covering the Glovebox monthly detailing box video. The monthly box from Glovebox. That's not actually a Glovebox, but it's so conveniently, awesomely named. And we have a special guest. This just came in the mail. I don't know if this is going to stay for long. This might be a one and done situation. Oh, but we're going to find out. We're going to find out, guys. We're going to cut this box open. And this thing, you're not going to believe this. I mean, some of you probably know exactly what this is. I've never tried to do anything with one of these things before. This box is upside down. Do you know why? Because all my personal information and shit is on the other side. And I don't need any stalkers. So I'm going to flip this over like a kung fu rabbit. Boom. Shakalaka. So here's what we're going to do, okay? I'm going to open this up. I'm going to put the thing from here onto here, and this thing's gonna spin, and we're gonna talk about that product, and I'm gonna be like, ho, or I never really go, so I expect, ho. Let's move this beautiful Christmas Day, baby. We got another sticker. Let's put that right there. Let's go. March Deluxe Box. Now, this is the biggest one that they offer, so let's just see what's in here. Oh, step-by-step guide. And here we go. So this is going to have, if you want to pause, this is going to have some reading materials. You can pause and check it all out. So this one right here, retail value $82. If you scoop this up, you got $82 worth of stuff. Are you kidding me right now? That's ridiculous. Okay, we're not going to put the microfiber towels on there because we know what a microfiber towel looks like. There's two of them. There's two microfiber towels. So we have auto fiber microfiber towels, auto fiber glass towels. So it looks like these are nice. These are actually pretty nice. I like these towels. This is pretty cool. And this is a glass towel. You can't go wrong with glass towels. It's always good to have some glass towels. So that's an A+. What is this? Shatter X, the solid choice. Windshield Protection. Fits all makes and models. Liquid glass. Wipe on, coat, enjoy. I've never heard of this. Is this like a coating for glass? 9H hardness. Resists impact chips and scratches. Hydrophobic. Water runs off. Repels rain. Increases visibility. Reduces glare. Harsh weather tested. Holy crap. Lasts an entire year. Holy crap. What the hell? It was created to protect automotive glass under normal use and weather conditions, and as such, we do not warrant product performance under negligent or extreme off-road conditions. Don't put this on your pickup truck, guys. Don't do it. But this seems ridiculously cool. It's not obviously a liquid. It's a wipe-on, wipe-off situation. Mr. Miyagi. Let's see. Hold on. I don't even know if I can take this seriously. We have to do a rotation. What's my thought on this product? That's freaking awesome. That's freaking awesome. So we have 3 vehicles. This is probably going to be the one that goes on the wife's vehicle, considering I have another product that I just got to try out, which is this. But that's going on the Hawk. That could go on the wife's vehicle. We have 3 bottles. We're going to be spinning bottles. What are we doing? What are we doing? We're going with the right one. All right, we've done this before. Got it. Vivash Premium Shampoo. Put it on. Put it on, everybody. Look at it. Take a look. Take a look at it. Look at it. Oh, my goodness. This is crazy, guys. Look, look, look. I was wondering if it was spinning too fast. Now I'm convinced it's not. Beautiful. Mix 1 to 2 ounces for a 5-gallon bucket. So this is pretty economical. Seems like a nice little premium shampoo ski here. Let's see. Anything on the back? So I always look for one set of words that I absolutely love, and it's right here. This product is pH balance. I really like that because Adams Polishes touts that. I'm trying to open this with one hand. Apparently I couldn't open that with one hand. Adams Polishes touts that. Whoa, what the hell happened to this thing? Hello? Oh my goodness. Hello? Are you in there? Are you coming out? You are not. It's on my hand. Oh, I don't want to put that on that towel. Hold on. It's on my hand. Hold on. Alright, let's give it a sniff. Bubblegum. Smells like bubblegum. Not my preferred stench, if I'm going to be completely honest with you. The overly sweet smelling shampoos, I'm not really a super fan of, not really. But the bubblegum, I could live with that a little bit. It's better than some of the other ones that I've dealt with, but not my overall favorite. And we're getting, hello? And we're getting into car washing season. I mean, I know you guys in the South, you've been washing your car forever. What is this beautiful thing? Synergy Works Defense Spray. What is this thing? World is changing slowly but surely. What? Hold on. Provide a deep clean on any surface. Okay, so it's got benzalconium chloride added to the formula, whatever the heck that means. I guess it could be, obviously, an interior cleaner? I mean, that's where I would give a rat's ass about having germs be killed. I mean, I'm not going to clean my engine bay and get rid of germs. So this is kind of cool. This is really kind of cool. This kind of reminds me of how Adams Polishes started putting Microban in their interior detailer, which I always thought, honestly, was very, very smart. Was extremely smart of them to do that. Very, very smart. Because I'm a freak when it comes to cleaning. And when I first heard about Corona, I was one of the people that bought the Microban 24 off the internet, and then it just got sold out. You couldn't get it. So I literally have bottles of Microban 24. Whoa! This is why I like bottles from Glovebox Detail. This is a company I've never heard of. And I am obsessed with waterless wash, detail spray, and rinseless wash products. So we got the whole beautiful, beautified things here. So it's a detail spray developed to give you just waxed look. It's hard to read while it's spinning in my face, but you know, we're going to figure this out. So you're just going to lightly mist this onto the surface and wipe off in one direction with a clean microfiber. Flip over a towel and gently buff off. Use immediately after washing the car when still slightly wet or completely dry. I wasn't going to smell that product because it's got some kind of benzyl something in there. It's probably going to rip my nostrils off. Okay. I don't know what the hell this smells like. This is like a very sweet green apple. Like a very sweet green apple. I've never heard of Liquid X. Made in the USA. I like that. I do enjoy that. Do they make this product? This is Shatter X. So, Shatter X, Liquid X, Synergy Works. Every single thing except Vivesh has a X in it. The podium has been retired. But yeah, guys, I enjoy getting these boxes every month. I really do. It's part of my ritual now at this point. So if you like getting surprises, because, you know, there's things like, let's look at it this way, okay? I didn't even know this existed. I had no idea this existed. I knew about towels. You're going to get quality towels each month. Autofiber makes some quality towels. A lot of times they come from Rag Company also. So you're going to get quality towels from Glovebox Detail. But I had no idea about this brand. Now I'm going to test this out. There's always the chance that this could displace something else that I've been using. I don't have a ton of detail sprays. I have to be completely honest with you. I'm not particularly a huge fan of actual detail sprays like the gloss additive, not so much cleaning power detail sprays. I'm big into waterless wash, rinseless wash type products. Big into that. I've trying to corner the market on that. I've tried almost every single thing, even products I've had to have shipped from Canada or the UK just to try certain things. So I'm very neurotic about that stuff. But I didn't even know about this brand. I know about this brand. I had no idea that product existed, and I never knew about this. So overall, very surprising box. Very cool combination of stuff. We're heading back into wash season, so I'm absolutely going to be using premium shampoo. I have tons of car shampoo, but I've never tried that brand before, so I absolutely will try that. I will try this detail spray out. I have 3 vehicles to test things out. Plus, friends come in here left and right, and I get to test products out on their car. They don't mind. I don't mind. It works out perfect. This probably going to go on the Sorrento. Overall, successful box. I'm very, very happy. Our boys and girls over at Glovebox Detail, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you for everything you guys do. Very, very cool. So they also do unboxings of their own. Obviously, you know, me doing an unboxing and them doing an unboxing, you know, their unboxing is probably a lot better. You just got my stupid mouth and I got a spinning podium at this point. Nobody really has that. I mean, well, a couple people probably have that. They probably have better ones too, let's be honest. But I just bought that for cheap. Am I keeping it? I have no idea. You let me know. Should I find a better way to utilize this? I'm thinking maybe I'll keep the camera down and do what they call B-roll, and I'll like talk over the video. I mean, that's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So I don't know if I'm going to commit to that, but maybe someday we'll commit to something. I've committed to my wife. I committed to my kids. I don't know if I'm going to commit to a spinning podium just yet. Let me know in the comment section below if that's something you want me to commit to. We'll see. I'll let you know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much for all the support. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please stay happy, healthy, and humble, and just be safe. We're almost out of this corona thing, guys. I really feel it. Go, just smile and detail. Make sure you detail. I'll see you guys later. By the way, real quick, I just smelled this. This smells like a mix of like green apple and all-purpose cleaner. I don't know what it is, but it did not burn my nostrils off. So I actually enjoy this, and I will test this out on the Tahoe. Kill those germs. Love you guys. Bye.